Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and removing all cables so nothing shorts or tugs while you work. Once done, place the monitor face down on a soft towel. This protects the panel. Make sure to have the screwdriver and a second hand for large screens because heavy bases can shift. Now locate visible screws at the base or a pop-off plastic cover. Begin by removing covers and loosening the screws. These are the first actionable steps to free the stand. You should now support the stand with one hand so it cannot fall when clips release. Next, either unscrew the 4 mounting screws or press the release latch. Different models use either method. Once fasteners are out, slide the stand straight out along its rail. Do this slowly to avoid bending any metal. As you detach plastic clips, you'll feel a distinct snap when the bracket clears. Keep parts organized and note where the VESA or adapter plate sits for reinstallation. You finish by separating the base from the arm and placing all screws and covers into a labeled bag. If you plan to wall mount, reinstall the VESA plate now according to the size and torque spec. Make sure no cables are pinched and that exposed threads are capped. If the stand won't budge, try a hair dryer on low to soften plastic, check for hidden screws under stickers, and avoid prying metal. This prevents damage and keeps the monitor safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.